Hello everybody. Okay, today we're going to do some searching. So we're going to use Regex. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to create a list, we're going to enter a word in there, and then we're going to search for that word. Okay, so before we start, hit the subscribe button below. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, so first of all we've got to import RE, which is Regex. I'm going to create a list here, or an array called text. Then underneath it I'm going to create a function called search word. Okay, I'm going to print something for the user, tell the user what to do. Enter text. Okay, and then we're going to get some input from the user. So entry 1 is equal to input. That's going to be enter a sentence. So the user is going to type in a sentence there, and then we're going to say text dot append entry 1, which is that one. So the sentence that they've entered will now be appended into the text list here above. Right, a bit more information for the user here. So we're going to print out search. Whoops, what have I done there? Oopsie daisy. Search text. Okay. So that's going to be entry 2. So we're going to get some input from the user again. Entry 2 is equal to input. And then we're going to ask the user to enter a word to search. So they're going to enter a word in there to search from the text list above. And then we're going to create a variable here called matches is equal to RE, which is regex dot find all. Okay, and then we're going to do entry 2, and then we're going to do a dot join and the text here. Okay, now we're going to do a conditional. So if matches, if we get a match there, print word found in matches. Else print word not found. Matches. No, we don't have to do that. Word not found. Okay, now all we have to do is call the function by its name, search word, and let's test it out. So just save it there. Okay, so let's have a look. First of all, let's enter a sentence. So this is my sentence. Very simple. Okay, search for text. So enter a word to search. So I want to find my. Okay, the word has been found. Okay, let's run it again. Let's do something different this time. Oh dear, sorry about that. Enter the sentence. This is another sentence. Okay, so let's enter a word that's not in that sentence. Let's say something very random like Dave. So there you go, word not found. So I hope you like that, and Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie as usual. Remember, if you've not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button now. It will help the channel out very much. And you know, just say hello if you want to, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.